Hello and welcome to another episode of Brad's Angling Adventures. This one I'm going to talk a little bit about a helicopter rig, which is quite an effective way of fishing, especially, well, all year round really, but it's pretty good in the winter as well. I've had some good days out using a helicopter rig in the winter. The ones I normally use are these ones, which are made by Korum. I think they call them the Ready Heli kit. There you go, you see it there. It's like two sort of float stops. It's got a swivel in between and then like a little tail rubber there. Okay. But if you haven't got any of these, you can sort of make your own up. Quite simply with a couple of normal float stops, a small swivel, and some little tail rubbers that I bought off of eBay, really. And I'm going to show you with those how to do the helicopter rig. Purely one reason is because it'll come out exactly the same as what these do, and two, these are on wire, so once they're off they're bloody difficult to get back on. So put them back in my box and I'll show you what those are like. I'll show you use these, show you both ways. Yeah, I'll show you both of them, so stay tuned. We'll have a look at the helicopter rig. Also going to be using, you'll see the Justron's coming out. It's got to come out, trusty Justron. And what I normally use the helicopter rig with is a little small cage feeder. As I said, I normally use it during the winter. It's really good. Can't say I've used it much in the summer, to be honest, but during the winter I normally find it pretty good. And you don't want to feed a lot, so a very small cage feeder is what you want. This is a Guru one. God knows what gram it is because I can't see. 30 gram, I think. My eyes ain't that good. But yeah, just a little cage feeder. You can see how small that is. You know, against my little finger, it's tiny. But yeah, so let's have a look and see how you do it. Right, this is everything we're going to be using today. I'll keep them to one side for a minute because they're the put together components that I've just bought. You know, you can buy all separately. So we'll use the kit first. I've just got a hook length because we're going to need a hook length to attach that to, and one more component is the trusty American snap link swivel. Okay, we've seen one of them in previous videos. Okay, so that's what we're going to be using. So what do? Get our main line. Okay, and we get our helicopter kit. Now this works exactly the same way as the float stops. Okay, let me open that up a little bit because well, it's closed down a bit. Now, these work exactly the same as the float stops. Okay, all you do is put your line through, alright, and then instead of just pulling the float stop onto your line, you've got to drag all three of these onto your line. So that float stop, that swivel and that float stop, you've got to take the whole lot So what I do is I bring one on first of all, bring one float stop on like that, and it holds everything in place. Then drop your swivel up, get the next stop on. Now these heli kits, they're pretty good. These float stops are pretty tight on your line, so they're pretty good. They don't really move. And then just bring that one up until it comes off the line that you've doubled back. Get the swivel up as well, bring this last one up. There you go, that's on. Alright, your helicopter kit is on your line. It should look something like that. Okay, so then what we want to do is we want to move that up out of the way for now, and then what we'll do, because we've doubled that line back, we'll always cut that off, start with a fresh piece of line. Okay, get our snap link swivel, tie it on using whatever method you want. Have a look at the knots video, I'll put that up there. There's also a uni knot video, which is a pretty good knot, so can have a look at that one as well. I'm just using a blood knot. You've all seen me tie the blood knot before. Easy knot to tie. I'll put the uni knot up there as well. It's an easy knot to tie, the blood knot and the uni knot. As always, don't forget, wet your knot before you put it down. Right, so that's your snap link swivel attached to your line. Then open that up, put your feeder of choice on, close that back up. Okay, then we bring the helicopter rig back down to sort of there. Okay, and then take the little sleeve off, and that gives us our swivel. Alright, and then what we do is we just get a little baiting needle. This is a Korum one, Korum baiting needle. I've shown you this one before. Oh, you can't see it there. There you go. Bung it through your sleeve, big end first, bring it out the small end. Clip your hook length onto it and take it through your sleeve like that. Alright, pull your sleeve down so you can see your loop, and then get your swivel. You do a loop to loop connection. I've shown you this one before as well. So we put the loop of the hook length through the eye of the swivel. Alright, and then we get our hook and we put that down through the hoop of the hook length along with the sleeve. Sleeve goes through as well. Alright, and just pull that down so it all cinches up like that. Bring your sleeve back along so that covers your your swivel, and there you have your finished helicopter rig. Now, as you can see, hopefully you can see it, that little sleeve there helps kick the line off away from the cage feeder. So there you go, that's your ready heli rig. Okay, how you use that one. Let's bring it back up so you can see it properly. There you go. Hopefully you can see that. You can see that hook standing off there. Yeah, look at that. You can see it even better there if I get out of the bloody way. There you go. You can see that little sleeve kicks your hook length away from your feeder. Okay, so that's the ready heli kit. Now, I'm just going to cut the line. Get that out of the way. Take the feeder off because I'm going to need that again. So basically the same way. I'm going to show you up here on this one because you've seen it already. So float stop on the line, okay. Then we get our swivel, put that on the line, okay. Next float stop, that's on the line. Alright, that is effectively our helicopter rig. Alright, so I'm going to slide that up the line. Get rid of the piece that we've folded in half. Then I'm going to tie on, get one out, another snap-link swivel, okay, for the feeder. Right, so quick blood knot again. I tend to use the blood knot a lot, don't I? Don't know what it is. Nice quick easy knot, I suppose. Let it, pull it down. Don't go mad when you're pulling your knots down, do it nice and easy. It's not a race. Make sure they bed in nice. You don't want them not snapping on you, can be your weak link of your fishing. You don't want that. Alright? So, always take your time with your knots. Take time pulling them down, bedding them in and whatever. So anyway, that's our snap link swivel on. Okay. Undo it. Put our feeder of choice on. Okay. Bring our other components back down towards the feeder. So we like that again. Alright. And then just nick a hook length from somewhere else. Alright. These hooks are sharp. Get a hook length. And our towel, little towel rubber. Baiting needle through the tail rubber, like before. Grab the hook length, push the tail rubber over. Okay. exactly the same as before. Loop of the hook length through the swivel. He says. Like that. And then everything, let me cut this off, everything down through the loop of the hook, should I say the loop of the hook length. Okay, everything goes down through the loop like that. Then pull it all up tight like before. Bring your sleeve up and put it over your swivel like that, and there you go. Another helicopter rig, same as before, but using just your normal components you can buy off of eBay. You don't have to buy a ready heli kit if you can't find any. Just buy yourself some float stops, some small swivels and some tail rubbers, and you're laughing. Okay, so that's the helicopter rig. Hope it's helped a few of you out there. As always, give us a like and subscribe. If you want notifications of new videos going up, hit the bell icon. Also come and check out the Instagram page if you like, and I'm in the process of setting up a website which will have a blog attached to it and things like that, and hopefully I might be selling a few bits on there that I've shown on videos, so keep an eye out for that in the near future. I'll let you all know when that's up and running. So as always, tight lines, and I'll see you in the next video.